In this video, we'll walk you through the three ways of timecode sync with Saramonic TC-Neo via Bluetooth, wirelessly, and via audio cable. First off, please activate Bluetooth on your device, like a mobile phone. Then launch the Saramonic system. Tap the plus sign on the top right corner. Add TC-Neo and hit Setup. You may add and manage up to 48 TC-Neo to Saramonic system. If you can't find the TC-Neo you want to add, reset Bluetooth and you should be able to see it. When all the frame rates are consistent across your devices, press the Sync All to complete the synchronization. Pick a TC-Neo and set its TC mode as master round. The other devices should be either auto-gen or Gen 1's analog. Then group all the devices into one channel, for example, channel B. On your master TC-Neo, go to the timecode section and press sync. All timecodes on TC-Neo should be synchronized shortly. If you want to customize your master timecode, go to Set and configure your own time. The other TC-Neos will follow once you sync it to all of them. TC-Neo can also be a slave, which means it receives timecode from other master timecode generators. Set TC-Neo to auto-gen or Gen 1's analog. Then choose L-in Out type setting. Use the included 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable to establish the connection. Slaves will then automatically recognize the signal and sync. When you want to output timecode from TC-Neo to cameras, recorders, and microphones, set it on master round, and then choose the appropriate out type. L-out for outputting timecode to devices with timecode feature, such as ARRI Alexa Mini and Sony FX30. A-out is for devices that have no timecode feature, for example, Sony ZV-E10. When you're done with the configuration, choose an appropriate timecode cable and establish the connection. Well, these are the three ways of syncing timecode with Saramonic TC-Neo. You can always go to saramonic.com to download the user manual for more detailed instructions.